Are you struggling with your ability to perform a mock recall for SQF within minutes? Are you concerned that the lack of traceability in your supply chain will lead you to lose your reputation and profit? Earlier, at our customer's food production plant, receiving, production, and shipping departments each had their own version of Excel sheets. The sales and purchase orders were in QuickBooks, which were disconnected from the other Excel sheets. The QA forms for both production and shipping were all on paper, and it took hours to consolidate when a situation arose. The quality manager was the only person that knew the processes and where the records were across the organization. The manual and inconsistent data across Excel sheets and paper resulted in hours of manual work across the organization to satisfy the SQF auditor. Or worse, failed the mock recall when SQF auditor showed up, threatening reputation and loss of business. With PowerCentral's comprehensive business management software, all the processes including sales, procurement, manufacturing, and warehousing replaced QuickBooks and the myriad of Excel sheets. Easy-to-use mobile barcode apps made the lot-based data entry both reliable and seamless. All the QA forms from receiving, production, and shipping were available directly within the ERP system. Because of traceability at the pallet level, our customers are now able to minimize the amount of recall down to a single truck rather than the entire lot. For example, this could mean recalling 30 pallets instead of 300 pallets of product. Since everyone from finance, production, and the warehouse team are now trained to run a full trace for an SQF mock recall in less than a minute, traceability was not just the responsibility of the QA manager. With this infrastructure and process in place, the management is now able to scale their operation to meet the increasing demand from customers with much less financial risk. Food business owners ourselves, we created PowerCentral as a one-stop management solution for small and mid-sized food and beverage companies. Built using trusted Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Azure Cloud Platform, PowerCentral automates and streamlines all your business processes to help manage your business.